Are you tired of feeling stuck in your coding projects? Or maybe you're up for the third night in a row and still don't know what your code is all about? Fortunately, that's no problem. Here are 4 easy ways to write better code. Number 1. Dry. I know it sounds like the name of some post-Yugoslav construction company, but it's an important code rule: don't repeat yourself. If you don't know how to avoid repetition of code in a for loop, search the documentation and you might learn something new. Number 2. Writing comments. This is a key element of creating a readable and understandable program. Comments act as documentation, allowing developers to better understand the intent, operation, and use of particular code snippets. If you think you'll find yourself among the no-comment code, think about Malaysian Airlines. Think about writing meaningful variable names. Number 4. Use plugins that help you keep your code clean. Such plugins include, among others, Prettify, which you can upload while writing code, for example in VS Code. It's all short, concise, and to the point. Subscribe to Practical Coding for more videos like this.